Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, told myself I wasn't going to buy one, and I still bought one. A Granite Grom RTR. So, I don't know a whole lot about these. I've just been watching some of my friends, Guru's RC, Sergeant J's RCs. You guys can check them out. I've been posting some stuff up on their YouTube pages. I'll try to leave a link down below for both their channels. They've been running them. They said they love them. This thing's a blast to go out and just take out. All metal gears. Even the servo has metal gears. It is waterproof. LiPo 2-in-1 25 amp ESC receiver, oil-filled shocks, hex hardware for easy maintenance. Love it. Secure quick release body, retention system, 4-wheel drive transmission for maximum traction, strong composite chassis, tough monster truck wheels and tires. Looks sweet. Also supposed to come with a battery and charger, 380 mega motor, little heat sink. Yeah, ready to run, waterproof, metal gears, brush motor. It's got the SpeedTek and 2-year limited warranty. So, you know, Horizon and Arrma are pretty good about their warranties, and anything goes wrong with the car, they'll replace. Whatever. So here's a little bit more of the way this is set up. It's got a nice little bumpers in the back and front. Looks like the arms are all nice. So, yes, I did get the blue, which I wanted. They have this as the last one at JJ Customs. They can order you one, or they usually, when they run out, they'll restock up. They'll try to restock up on them. But, yeah. So you can actually get them there at JJ Customs. You can order them online from them. You can go in the store. I did get the last one, so they have to order one for you, but that's pretty fast. It'll be there. Yeah, look at that bad boy. So, pull this out of the box. Get her out. Cool little car right here, guys. Don't just bash, blast. That's engraved in there. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's pull everything out of the box. It comes, I think it comes ready to run, I think, if I'm not mistaken. They don't make that easy to get out of there, do they? Probably had to do something special, but I just like breaking things. Little remote, which is good. Fit in the backpack fine for in the truck. That's probably what I'm going to do with this one. Probably just going to stay in my semi. I don't know. We'll see how much fun I have with it. Let's throw this on the ground here. But that's cool. It comes with everything, guys. Let's see. So here's your tool, your Allen wrench, your hex for the wheels, which this is kind of a cool tool. Your little Allen wrench. Spacers for the shocks to stiffen them up a little bit, but that's pretty good. It don't bounce, don't slam the ground. Granite, these are kind of cool, so you can hang on the wall or whatever, and then you can scan those to see I guess what they are. This is support and showcase. So if you need to look up or talk to them or whatever, that's probably what that is. Manufacturer date, Spectrum. This is probably, I don't know what this is. Let's open it up and see. Like I said, haven't paid attention to any really videos of unboxings of these. So, oh, cool. The charger. So you can plug into USB port. Same with this. So you plug this into here, Plug this in a USB port. Plug that in your computer or a charger. Like I said, I do it at work, so I can plug it right into my 12 volt. Hopefully it'll charge it. That's kind of cool. I think they're like EC2s or something like that, or IC2s. Arrma's coming out with their own brand of batteries. That's kind of cool. That's smart, Arrma. Good job. Good job. And then, of course, the books. Technical. Shows you how to take apart some things and adjust some things. The motor mount. You're going to change the pinions and stuff like that. That's kind of cool. Tells you how to get the body off. So there's clips in the back and then it slides off, huh? Okay, we'll look at that in a sec. And this shows all the programming of the ESC and stuff like that. So you probably want to look through this if you're there's different languages. Okay. So storage, you want to disconnect the battery when you're storing it. When you're not using it, you want to disconnect the battery. So it says something like around here somewhere. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, okay. That's kind of neat. Push these two in. Push those two in. There's two holes here. Boop. Okay. There's pins here that it slides off of. And so you put this down here, pull back, and then push down, and it sticks on there. That's kind of neat. Neat system there. All right. So here's the battery, 1400 milliamp. That's nice, nice little battery, hard case, 30C, 2S. I say that's all you need in this little thing. An on and off switch here. Nice little motor. Before you bash, fun needs safety. So yeah, be safe, guys. I know we like to go out there and bash, but safety first. So I liked all the hex hardware, guys. It's regular screws in here, and they're probably like they might even be 3mm on some of them, but they're probably 2.5s. And these are probably all 2mm. Yep. So 2.0 will fit probably most of them. Yep. I'm gonna say all those. So that's nice. That's real nice. I like that part of it. Hopefully they come out with like the little mojave or little typhon, kraton, right? Kraton would be cool too. Little truggy. Nice. There's no foams in the tires, so maybe an upgrade on the tires eventually. They're vented, but it's so light, you don't really need foams. And you can see they're vented on the outside, so if you get water in them, they're just going to spray out. So they make it waterproof. I would definitely go in and put grease in the... I'm going to run it a few times. I mean, like I said, it's not that bad, but I would definitely put a little bit of grease inside the diffs. But yeah, I'm going to run it first like that. And I'm going to have to use the charger that they gave you because I don't have one of these. And there's no balance. So you would have to have a safety charger or whatever their charger to charge this, because it doesn't have a lead. So if you wanted to, you just buy a new a new battery for this, which eventually down the road, like I said, I'm probably going to have this in my semi and charge it there, and charge it at work maybe, or charge it in the truck. Plug this into the USB port, or all right, there you go. Let's get an adapter real quick and see what it does when you plug it in, huh? I have my old iPad plug I use a lot for everything. We'll plug this into here, and then we will plug this into here. And I'm assuming a light will go on. Yeah, there's a light right there, blinking. I would imagine at the end of it, it will probably stay solid or turn colors. I don't know what color that is. I'm colorblind, so I'm hoping it'll stay solid so I know. I guess you can read the directions. That'd be too easy, but, and that's the color I wanted. I wanted the blue. So you got red, white, and blue, baby. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So not bad. It sounds like the bodies get pretty beat up on these things in the back or something. I don't know. I know Jason or Sergeant J, man, he jumps his at the skate park all the time. So I know his body's going to be hammered, but mine probably won't be that bad because I'm not that violent. But there you go, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna get this charged up, probably take it to work, and go bash with it. Especially it's rainy season now, it'd be perfect. You know, we're kind of slow at work, so my breaks and stuff like that, go out there and have a little good time. Out in the rain maybe, back of the trailer. Try not to crush it, but yeah, it doesn't say. Usually they put a little mark. Where they want those to go. Looks like both of those were negative. There are little marks in there. Positive, negative. So I'm assuming positive, negative. Let's try that. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So, in the controller, if you guys look, that's kind of hard to see in there. But right in there where that sticker is, there's a negative, there's a positive on this side and a negative on this side. So, that's the side you want up. All right? So, you put positive over here. And negative over here. So you got them facing down like that. Positive signs over here. And that seemed to work it. It's on. So you got your steering. Both of these are for your steering. Put that in the center. This is your steering rate and your steering trim. Then looks like your steering, you can do reverse for your steering. And then your 50, 75, and 100. That's pretty cool stuff for the kids. So let the kids practice with it for a little bit and then poof, let them go. So cool. All right, guys. Next video you'll see this will be hopefully running. Get the battery charged up and get it in here and see what it does. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.